And hello there, 30 Minutes fans, folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest option parts for the 30 Minute Sisters line. We have the option parts set number 22, which is the Turbo Alpha costume, color B. And yes, as you can see in the box art, it has a helmet and new hair parts and face parts, I guess, and some new limbs, and of course, the new costume. And off to the side, here it is. Parts at 22, color costume alpha. And of course, you can use it with different characters. Here they're highlighting Nicolulu and Rhaenyra, which is the latest addition. And here it is in action. And of course, you can have your 13 sisters pose with it with the helmet down or the helmet showing their face. And off to the other side, here it is, more close-up of it. And of course, since the faceplate here is blank, you need a water transfer sheet for the eyes. Now let's take a look inside the box. We have one bag, which is all of those face parts. No eye prints. Second bag is all green and all white, so the hair parts is there, and of course the parts for the costume. Third bag is more on the flesh colors, the blacks, the parts for the costumes as well. And we can't forget the instruction manual here, wherein, as mentioned, to the non-printed ones, you have to buy a water slide decal in order to apply the eyes. And of course, the gimmick here that they're showing, wherein with the helmet, you can have it open. Okay, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first up, we have the A sprue here, and yes, some parts are missing due to shipment errors and stuff. We have the B part here. The C part is here for the joints. D parts consist of flesh parts. E parts is where we have that helmet and the other parts of the costume. We have the hair parts here, which is green, something new. And of course, we have several face parts here that is used as well. And yes, unfortunately for this face parts, there's no eyes printed on it, so you will have to buy that decal, that water slide decal. Yep. And there you have it, 30 Minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the latest costume or option parts for the 30 Minute Sisters, which is the Turbo costume alpha, part set 22. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.